I'm Caroline Collard. I'm the marketing director at Biocartis. We are a company specialized in molecular diagnostics. Our first commercial product was in September 2014, and we had many challenges, of course, because we did not have a digital sales tool yet. We worked with brochures, emails, and PowerPoints, which of course is quite difficult to get updated all the time, and to have an aligned communication with all the people working on the same product, having the same goal in mind. And we wanted a more unified solution, suitable for whole of Europe and the rest of the world, and this is how we ended up at Showpad. Showpad offers so many advantages that it's quite easy to get everyone on board in the implementation of using this tool. Because before Showpad, we really were using the emails, we were using PowerPoints, different versions of brochures and so on. So it was such an advantage using the Showpad and having the updated information available quickly and easy that actually we just saw the sales force adapting this quite quickly. The features I like about Showpad is the fact that you can share information extremely easily and that you also can tailor-made it customer by customer. It's also an excellent tool to use at conferences. We use it the whole time instead of all this huge amount of printed brochures. If customers like to have more information, we just can send it by using the Showpad tool. It's clear that it's an excellent tool that can be used by our sales forces, and they are extremely happy to use it. It's a tool that motivates and that makes it very easy to have an aligned communication through the whole sales force. The efficiency of sales meetings is an important aspect of that we all have, because you only have a couple of days where you have to transfer a huge amount of information, and then Showpad makes it also possible to have all the presentations up front. So when the product trainings, for example, are given, our sales teams all have the presentations already available on their Showpad, and that saves us a lot of time, and it also saves us a lot of making brochures, printouts, and so on. For me, the ecological footprint is also a very important aspect and a main advantage of Showpad also. We use Showpad a lot on conferences when we get questions of our customers at the booth. We have our traditional messages, but for any other specific questions, we easily use the Showpad and we immediately send the information to our customers, and that is a very customer-centric way of dealing with your customers. My favorite thing about Showpad is that it's a tool that really motivates our sales force. It gives the possibility to give a very tailored, customer-centric approach, and it's a great tool for marketing to see what our customers like to read and where they put their focus on. So we're still ramping up our business, and we're growing very fast, and therefore a good communication tool is crucial to get an aligned communication within our total sales force. So for sure, Showpad will stay a partner of us.